How to fix share my location not working problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Simply scroll down till you find locations. Then click on locations. In here, select in which app you're not able to share your location. Simply select the app and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, I have pressed on Google. Simply go to permissions located at the bottom of notifications. In here, you'll find locations option. Make sure it's allow all the time. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to fix share my location not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.